I'm Sloan. I am the electronic wiring and circuit board guy behind the store of Willy's Wearables. And Willy's behind the camera, but he's kind of camera shy, as you'll find in the video saying how this all comes together. Basically, this listing is for this helmet, but in kit form. So you've got all the pieces to make this happen. All the electronics, all the wiring, and all the structure is already done. It's just up to you to put it together, paint it, and make it look the way you want. So if you want to finish it off like the Tron style, or the Grammy style, or Discovery, or whatever generation of helmet you want to finish it as, the final finish is up to you. We just have all the wiring and everything done. And even all the programs and everything, they're just on a memory card. They can be swapped out. We try to make this as easy as possible while you do the work of the final assembly and everything, keeping the price as low as possible. So with that said, we've got a few kind of videos of the finished product showing what it looked like. And if you want to see exactly how involved the process is to make this thing, check below in the listing and you'll find a video showing the exact step-by-step on how we made this exact helmet, so that you can decide whether or not it's something that's up to your skill level where you're happy following along. We try to make it as easy as possible, and we hope that you'll grab a kit and be able to make something just as awesome as this, and maybe even send us a few photos of the finished product. Thanks for checking out our store, and we hope to send one of these to you soon. Glasses off. If you wear glasses, take them off. Here we go.